Today we will see how shoes are made inside this factory. First, the insole is being cut with the help of a machine. Now, the branding and printing of the company is done. After that, the upper part of the shoe is made by stitching. Then, any excess parts are removed manually. Now, the upper part is being sent into the mould. After that, the outsole is made with the help of a machine. Now the excess part of the outsole is removed manually. Stickers are applied on the shoes using glue. After that, the insole is being put into the shoes. Now, the shoelace is being installed. After that, the shoes are prepared for packaging. Here, the final finishing is done on it. Now, the shoes are packed in a box. Contact us if you would like to feature your factory on Unbox Factory.